how to fix VAN 9090 or 9001 error, which says TPM 2.0 initialization failure in Valorant. So all you need to do is make sure TPM 2.0 and secure boot are enabled in your BIOS settings. So to do that, we'll need first to search for our motherboard model to know which key to press after pressing the restart button to open up the BIOS menu. So for me, I've looked my motherboard model and it says the delete key enters the BIOS settings or the BIOS menu. So most of the time it's going to be delete key, F2 or escape button, but it might be different for your motherboard model. So once you know the key, you will need to restart your computer and then keep pressing that key until you open up the BIOS menu. And once you are in the BIOS menu, I'm going to show you an example. So to enable the TPM 2.0, you want to go to the advanced mode, and then you should find it under security settings, security trusted computing, which is called security device support. Make sure it's enabled. And the TPM device selection is set to PTT or TPM in other motherboards. And for the secure boot, you want to go to settings, advanced Windows OS configuration, secure boot, and make sure secure boot is enabled and secure boot mode is set to standard. And then once done, you want to press F10 and then confirm by clicking yes to save these settings or these changes. And then your computer should reboot immediately after this. Now once your computer is running, you want to open up the start menu and then search for core isolation, which is this one here under Windows Defender. Click on it and it will open up this window. Now make sure memory integrity is enabled like this, and then click on confirm to enable it. Now once this is enabled, you will need to reboot your computer. And once you reboot your computer, you'll simply just need to launch Valorant again and play the game. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.